Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing a long-awaited recipe of vegan macaroon using Swiss method, which I have been working on since long. Don't forget to watch this video till the end for many tips and tricks which I have learned so far on my journey to get perfect macaroon. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe as many more Indian flavored macaroons recipes are on the way. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the recipe. First of all, we will prepare all the ingredients. I'm using Kirkland brand almond flour. So first, place almond flour into a fine mesh strainer or sifter. Tap the edge of the strainer until all the almond flour has passed through that can. Discard the portion which doesn't pass through. Now we will measure out all the ingredients. So first we are going to take 85 grams of sifted almond flour. Next we are going to measure out 85 grams of powdered sugar. Next combine almond flour and powdered sugar and sift the mixture again. Discard this portion and set this mixture aside for later use. Next I'm going to measure out 80 grams of reduced aquafaba. Soon I'll be sharing how to make your own aquafaba and almond flour at home, so stay tuned to my channel. Next I'll be adding 75 grams of granulated sugar into the aquafaba. Next I'm going to place this bowl over a pan with barely simmering water. Make sure the bottom of the bowl is not touching the simmering water. Now keep whisking the mixture until the sugar is completely melted. It is gonna take maximum 2 to 3 minutes. You can taste by touching the mixture between your fingers, and if you feel any sugar granules, just keep whisking the mixture over the water bath. Also make sure don't overheat the sugar syrup. Once you don't feel any sugar granules between your finger, transfer the mixture into a stand mixer bowl. Into the mixture, add 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, a pinch of xanthan gum, give it a gentle mix and transfer the bowl into a stand mixer. With the whisk attachment, start whisking mixture on low for about 30 seconds. Then gradually start increasing speed to medium, and now keep raising the speed to high or medium high and whisk for a few minutes until stiff peaks are formed. When you pull your whip up, the peak should be stiff and shooting straight up, with possibly a slight bend at the top but not bending down to the sides. And this looks perfect to me. Now remove the whisk and take out the bowl from the stand mixer and clean the whisk. Now pour the sifted powdered sugar and almond flour mixture into the stiff meringue. Don't add all the mixture at once. Keep adding and mixing. Once everything is well combined, start spreading the mixture towards the bowl. Once it is done spreading, gather all the mixture in the center of the bowl and check the consistency. Keep performing the step until the batter flows like lava without breaking in between. Don't want to undermix your macaron batter, and on the other hand, you definitely don't want to overmix it. In any of the case, your macaron are not gonna be perfect. If you want to add any color to your macaron, you can add color at this stage. I would like to add few drops of pink coloring. And now keep spreading and gathering the batter until you have nice flowing consistency. Don't forget to check consistency every time you mix and gather the batter. You don't want your batter to be too runny, so be careful not to overmix. It's always best to undermix and test several times until the proper consistency has been achieved. When you hold the spatula with batter on top of the bowl and the batter falls off the spatula slowly but effortlessly, the batter is ready. The batter will keep flowing off the spatula non-stop but not too quickly. The batter is ready now. Transfer the batter to the piping bag now. Keep the baking tray upside down and place a silicone mat on top of it and start piping the macarons. Place the piping bag directly 90 degrees over the silicone mat. Apply gentle pressure and carefully pipe for about 3 seconds and then quickly pull the bag up, twisting slightly. If you have any queries regarding making macaron using this recipe, you can reach me on Instagram for quicker reply, or you can also drop me a comment below. I will give the link of my Instagram page in the description box below. There are many factors that affect to your macarons, such as the temperature of your oven, color of the pan you are using, or using parchment paper or silicone mat. Now bang the trays against the counter a few times. This will release air bubbles that are in the batter and prevent your macaron shells from cracking. Pop out any air bubble if you see on the top with the help of toothpick. And now leave them on a counter for about 20 to 40 minutes depending upon how humid the day is. You will know they are ready when you gently touch the surface of a macaron and it seems dry. Next, preheat the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit and transfer the tray on a middle rack. Then bring down the temperature to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and rotate the tray and bake it for another 12 to 15 minutes. If you try to move a macaron, it should not feel jiggly. If the macaron is still jiggly, keep baking for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now let the macaron cool down completely. And as you can see, all the macarons are done perfectly. They all have even feet and smooth top. Now let's make rose cardamom buttercream. For that, take 1 stick of butter and 1 and 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar. Mix it using electric mixer and add rose essence followed by cardamom powder. Mix it well again and it's done. Fill it up in a piping bag. Pipe on the bottom shell and then top it with another shell, and our macarons are ready. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like button. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.